everybody! Happy Easter! Happy Easter, everybody! Today, Chitty's eating some nature salad, fresh from the backyard, and she's wearing an apple flower on her head. Ooh, yeah, she's wearing an apple flower on her head. Yeah, she's got an apple flower on her head. Ooh, yes. Yeah. Yeah, the apple flower got a little bit into her head fur. Don't worry, the flower's not poking her or anything. Just a little bit in her fur. Oh, and she's really hungry. Huh? What, Chitty? Did you hear something? Yeah. Wait. Just gonna do. Oh, oops. Don't worry, that's an apple flower. It's edible. Oh yeah. Like, if you're going to put a flower on any bunny's head, make sure, like, a bunny edible flower, you know, like a bunny safe flower. That one right there is an apple flower, which is bunny safe. You know, like apple flower from the apple tree. I took it from the apple tree. Yeah, come on, Chitty, eat the apple flower. Come on. No? Oh, come on, Chitty, don't you want to try the apple flower? Come on. Can you hear the bird sound? I kind of left the backyard door open. I'll close it. Well, I mean, I'll go close it after the video. Come on, Chitty, don't you want to try the flower? Nice, pretty flower. Yeah, and happy Easter, everybody. Come on, Chitty, have a flower. Flower. Apple flower. Click. Come on, Chitty, flower. Yeah, get that flower. What? No, not the leaf, the flower. So close. Come on, get it, yeah. Oh, no. It's right there. Come on. No, get off, bug. Shoot, just, sorry. There's a bug. Knock it off. Chitty, come on, get the flower. Come on, Chitty, get the flower. Come on. Flower. Yes. Aw, apple flower. What, you don't like apple flower? Did you just eat the stem and leave all the petals? Yeah, eat the petals. No petals? Alright. Look. Ah, the bug. Shoe bug. Ah, get off. Just. Okay, that's not really working. Huh? Alright. Okay. Ah, seriously, bug. Yeah, some petals left. Yeah, just eat up those petals. Yeah. You left a petal, but okay. Alright. Huh? What?